Reiki 1 Lesson 8. Reiki Self-Treatment. Once you've received the first degree attunement from a Reiki master, you are ready to work with the universal life force. However, it's important that you realize, as with every profession, that there's a need to first practice and master the skills associated with healing. Madame Takata taught her students to heal themselves first, then their families, then their friends. Only then did she believe they would be adequately qualified and able to work as a practitioner and heal other people. When a person first learns to drive a car, they need time, practice and experience to master what appears to be a rather complex set of procedures. However, within a very relatively short space of time, they can drive safely and effortlessly as they unconsciously control the car and all the various skills associated with driving. Likewise, with time, practice and experience, you will master the skills and techniques associated with the art of Reiki healing. Treat the early months as a learning experience, almost like an apprenticeship. This will give you the time you need to develop your confidence and skills. Remember, the more you work with Reiki, the more intuitive you will become. Your energy vibration will be raised, and you will develop and experience a new joyful consistency in your life. Self-healing is the starting point for personal development and self-discovery. Reiki is not just a tool for healing, it also brings protection, prevention, and personal transformation on all levels. As you progress along your new path, invariably, you will come up against obstacles and setbacks in your life that often seem like the whole ocean front. But with Reiki, you will have the strength to deal with them as though they are but pebbles on the beach. Even if you never use Reiki to heal anyone but yourself, you will find a new sense of balance and peace in your life. There is no other method of self-treatment as simple and as effective as Reiki. Because Reiki is always available to you whenever you feel tired, stressed, have any aches or pains, you can alleviate them by simply laying your hands on your body. The infinite wisdom of Reiki will go wherever it is needed. Recharge your batteries every day, not just when problems, difficulties, anxieties or illnesses arise. Daily self-treatment will help to prevent sickness and disease, and bring your life into focus and balance quickly. Every time you use Reiki on yourself, you raise your self-esteem and self-love. You will discover your mission in life and become more compassionate and loving. Instead of getting stressed at the normal things you come into contact with each day, such as traffic jams, meetings, interviews, going to the doctors or dentists, waiting in queues, your children's needs, and your family responsibilities, to name but a few, allow Reiki into your life and let Reiki become a new way of life to you. Set aside a little time each day for self-treatment. First thing in the morning will give you a positive boost for the day ahead. Alternatively, a self-treatment lasting at night will relax and unwind you, leading to a good night's sleep. Good places for self-treatment are in the bath, the shower, or lying in bed. The possibilities are endless, and the benefits are immeasurable. Reiki is a gift to be savoured and enjoyed. Remember, the more you use Reiki, the stronger and more profound it becomes. Daily use could extend your own life by a number of years. How Reiki can help you. There are a number of benefits to be gained which occur without any effort from a daily Reiki self-treatment, including Reiki will relax you when you're stressed. Reiki brings about deep relaxation. Reiki centers your thoughts when you are confused. Reiki energizes you when you feel drained. Reiki calms you when you're frightened. Reiki focuses your mind and helps you to solve problems. Reiki relieves pain. Reiki accelerates natural healing of wounds. Reiki improves health. Reiki gradually clears up chronic problems. Reiki helps prevent the development of disease. Reiki detoxifies the body. Reiki dissolves energy blockages. Reiki releases emotional wounds. Reiki increases the vibrational frequency of the body. And Reiki helps change negative conditioning and behavior. How to treat yourself with Reiki. There is no right or wrong way to work with Reiki on oneself. As you become more experienced with the Reiki energy, you will intuitively move your hands to wherever it feels right. However, if you're aware of a specific problem, such as an injury or pain, then you should place your hands directly over that area to begin with and follow up with a full self-treatment. In the beginning, it is always best to follow a set of procedures as shown in the following illustrations, marked self-treatment hand positions. When you've mastered the hand positions, you can then leave each self-treatment up to your own intuition. You may wish to work with music to add the right relaxing mood. Find a place where you won't be disturbed if possible. Normally, you would spend 3 to 5 minutes on each hand position. However, time is often short, but remember, a little Reiki is better than no Reiki. On completion of this self-treatment, drink a large glass of purified water, close your eyes, and go inside and pay attention to the thoughts and emotions that you've arisen during the session. You may feel lightheaded, and if you need to rest or sit down for a short time, allow yourself this time. If you feel you need to continue to work on a specific area of the body, even if you've completed a full self-treatment, then go with your intuition. Always listen to your mind and body. Remember, the following hand positions are only a guide. Use your intuition. Self-treatment hand positions. Position 1. Cup your hands and gently rest them over your eyes, cheekbones and forehead, which is where your third eye chakra is. This position will help with stress, eye problems, asthma, head colds, allergies, sinuses, pituitary gland, the pineal gland, and the cerebral nerves. Position 2. Place your hands on top of your head, fingertips touching, covering the crown chakra. This position will help with migraine, headaches, eye problems, multiple sclerosis, stress, bladder, digestive disorders, flatulence, and emotional problems. Position 3. Hands on either side of your head with fingers covering your temples. This position will help with your balance, tinnitus, hearing and ear problems, colds, flu, and will help balance the functions of the right and left brain. Position number 4. Place your hands on the back of your head covering the occipital ridge. This position will help with headaches, eye problems, stress, hay fever, sinuses, digestive disorders, fears, phobias, shock, depression, and stroke. Position number 5. Hands covering the top of the shoulders and the bottom of the neck. This position will help with aches and pains, stress, neck, tight muscles, nerves, spinal injuries, and shock. Position number 6. Place your hands around the neck with the heels covering the throat chakra. This position will help with self-expression, communication, breathing, voice and speech problems, bronchitis, flus, colds, and anger. Position number 7. Your hands form a T, left hand covering the heart chakra and the right hand over the thymus gland. This position will help with the heart, angina, lungs, thymus, thyroid, weight problems, immune system, lymph, emotional problems, and stress. Position number 8, 9, 10, and 11. Hands are positioned horizontally at the top of the torso, with fingertips touching. Move hands down as shown, until finally ending in a V inside the hip bone. Positions 8, 9, 10, and 11 will help with all major organs and glands, disease, infections, stomach, intestines, reproductive system, anger, and emotions. Position 12 and 13. Place hands over the front of the knees, position 12. This position will help with leg pains, varicose veins, and circulation. Place hands behind the back of the knees, position 13, to also help with leg pains, varicose veins, and circulation. Positions number 14, 15, 16, and 17. Hands are positioned first at the shoulders, top of the neck, and then gradually move down horizontally across the back with fingertips touching. Remember, these are guidelines, and if you find this quite difficult, if maybe you're not as flexible as you used to be, just place your fingertips as close together as possible. Move hands down as shown until finally ending in a V at the base of the spine. Position 14, 15, 16, and 17 will help with all major organs and glands, disease, infection, back and spinal problems, and stress. Position 18. If possible, sit in the lotus position and hold both feet with your hands. Alternatively, if this position is too uncomfortable, you can sit cross-legged with your right leg resting on your left leg and place your hands on the top and underside of your right foot, and then alternate and place hands on the top and underside of the left foot. This position will help with leg pains, varicose veins, and all major organs and glands in line with the reflexology points. This concludes Lesson 8. Please move forward now to Lesson 9.